You might have seen this bike before if you watched a couple more videos. Well, today it's a bit different. I have no training wheels, and I can ride from that side to that side, but for now it's just here to here, and that to here, because that's what I did. So, we'll show you the video.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah. It's going to be hard because my dad's not helping me start.
Oh, I'll help you start.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, I can help.
Because where are we going to put the camera, though?
Well, I will start, and then I will grab the camera after you're going. Okay, deal? Sort of talk. All right, you're rolling. Action.
So, I'm going to ride my bike without training wheels from this side to that side.
Oh,
I might have to pause a couple rounds, but that's still okay. And I might accidentally turn at one of the parking spots.
you're learning. All right, here we go. We're gonna get going.
Here I go.
Here we go. I gotcha. And get comfy. And get pedaling. Yogi, congratulations. Keep going. You're doing so good. And brake. Achievement unlocked. What do you say?
Pretty good. But now for the exciting part. I'm going back.
All right.
So,
I'll help you again to get started.
yep.
Okay. All right. Here we go. And get you going. Get your balance. Don't forget your brakes if you need them. Oh. That was a good lesson.
I parked.
Your brakes didn't quite work?
Yep. Well, I was going to use my brakes. I was trying to go that way and then turn.
Ah.
But I accidentally went there.
Are you okay?
My butt hurts a bit.
A bit, yeah. High five for riding the bike for the first time by himself so perfectly.
And I was just going to stay home, but decided to ride my bike.
Cool.
So, that's the new bike video. We'll see you guys later. Bye!
What? Good job. I'm gonna head that way. Oh, you're doing more turns.
When I start doing a turn, it kind of won't let me stop.
Watch where you're going.
I know.
Don't forget to brake if you need to. Don't hit a car. Oh, that's
I
okay.
accidentally hit that car.
Well, you stopped it with your hands. So
Guess how many turns I did?
you did so many turns.
I know, right? About as many times as I rode my bike,
Awesome.
which would be 3.
I'm
Oh,
impressed.
five.
Now, here's a challenge. Since you're getting so good, can you ride your bike on this side and around and come back to here?
I could try.
Is that a pretty
I
good...
might just start doing a loop.
You might. Do you want to give it a go?
Yeah, but I gotta lean to this side.
Okay. Well, I'll help you.
Okay.
All right. Now, steering on the left side.
It's a bit harder because
You're doing good. It's a little uphill, but you're doing good. Keep pushing. Oh, wow. Look at that guy.
Oh no, I was gonna do brakes, but it just had me going forward.
Good job, bud. You went all the way around. Good challenge.
Hey, Dad.
Shall we head home, mister?
No,
No. Here,
I should head home on my bike
all right. Well, I'll come with you.
without you talking.
I'm not helping. Oh, good job. Good stopping.
Now, I need your help to stop.
Yep.
Or not.
I know. I can help you.
All I need you to really do is hold that side.
Yeah, I got you. Get you going. And you're back. Now watch where you're
I was
going.
about to say,
This will be the hardest part because you're going uphill. So that means you have to pedal really hard. Pedal really hard. Pedal really hard to keep your speed up, to keep your balance. Keep pedaling. Whoa. Good putting your foot down, dude. Good stuff. Gonna help you?
yeah.
Alright.
Looks like they're running. We're doing too.
I don't know what they're doing. Oh, watch where you're going, bud. Sorry, nope.
That's alright.
Just learning.
Just make sure you slow down and use your brakes when you get going too fast, bud. Push back on the back pedal, like that. Watch yourself, bud. Oh, oh, that's gonna be out of control. That was probably a little scary, eh? You okay?
Yeah, especially at the end. Because I was about to go on the road.
And you
but
steered away from the road.
Yeah.
That's high five for that. That's a
Obstacles got open.
yeah. But you know what? The tough part about that is the brakes. You gotta work. We gotta work on brakes next time. But I think that was awesome. Great job.
I was trying to do my brakes, but
It's hard though.
because I was doing that, but it would just keep me going forward.
I know. Well, we'll talk. We'll figure it out.
I have grip shoes.
Good
Grip shoes are
job.
not good.
I'm
on
so
brakes.
impressed, bud.